Ampelmann Summer School is a 3-week program and it contains several activities.
3 weeks of learning, of working together and of fun.
And the goal is to get everyone in the driver's seat of their own personal development.
We believe that the growth of Ampelmann and the growth of our people are the same thing, are two sides of the same coin. And we really want us to be the company where young people can take on really big roles at a young age, which means we need to be better maybe than some other companies in developing our people really fast.
That means once you become a leader, a team leader, you have some big responsibility.
The future cannot be predicted, but futures can be invented. Describe what you believe the skills of the future are. So when you've got a good number of post-it notes, come stick them up and we'll have a look and see what we've got.
Hoe ga je nou echt impact creëren in communicatie? Dus de impact creëer je niet in wat je zegt, maar veel meer in hoe je iets zegt.
So during all the sessions there was a lot of energy and active participation. Also our colleagues abroad. Now we have a common language on personal development to discuss these kind of important topics in the future.
Really cool initiative because we finally get to see where we are, how to develop and what our plan should be in order to get there where we want to be.
I work here at the canteen. I make the lunch every day with my colleague. I really like the idea because they give people a chance to grow and to figure out what they want.
I really liked the leadership workshop. It showed different managers on different levels what other managers think, so we did a group discussion.
I want to develop myself in different roles and adopt the time schedule according to the different role. Take more time to sit with people, to coach them and take more time to reflect on your own work.
My main takeaway is that I have to think more about my personal development instead of staying in the technical matters. I don't know yet exactly how I will develop myself, but I'm going to think about that in the coming weeks.